Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset Explore page on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Instagram and update your Instagram. Then you need to go into the settings and go into the app management and click on app list, and then you need to search your Instagram like I am doing and click on storage and cache. And the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Okay, once you complete that step, you simply need to log in into your Instagram account, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you need to click on your activity. Okay, and then you need to click on photos and videos, and here you need to click on post. So you can see that you haven't posted anything, so then you need to click on interactions, and here you can see your all like posts. So if you feel that is something you like by mistake, you simply need to tap on that post and unlike that post, so that algorithm knows that you do not like that this type of post. After that you need to go back and click on account history, and then you need to clear your account history as well. After that you need to go into the recent searches and clear all your recent searches like this, and here you can click on link you have visited. You simply need to clear that also, and click on recent deleted and also delete the recent deleted. And by following all these steps, that algorithm will knows that you do not like this type of post, and by following these steps you can easily reset Instagram Explore page. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.